Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles. One with 1 star. Well, this is not a 1 star. I need more time for solving this puzzle. And a 4 stars puzzle. I've already solved two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle number 6377. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 15 printed digits. Yeah, 15. Well, less than 30, less than 20. So, and please, publisher. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. The rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. That box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Then. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. Finish without comparing. Well, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.